Welcome to DOZZY'S Life. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make these delicious, chewy chocolate chip cookies. So y'all go on ahead and get your ingredients and preheat that oven. We're going to get down in this kitchen and make these cookies. We're going to start off with our butter and our sugar. Now y'all, the recipe will be in the description box. And the only thing I got to say is watch the cookies while they're in the oven, because this is a no-fail recipe. Just go on and mix that butter and them sugars together, making sure they get real creamy. Just let it just do what it do. Just let it go. Now I'm using a spatula today instead of a stand mixer or a hand mixer, because for some reason when you do it by hand, I don't know, they seem to be much better. You see how creamy that is right there just by doing it by hand. So much better. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and put these eggs up in this thing. Make sure that everything is room temperature. Now go ahead and drop both of them in and go ahead and get that mixed all throughout. So creamy. Okay, so now we can go on ahead and gonna put this vanilla in here. Look how creamy that is, y'all. Yes, perfect. As long as your ingredients are room temperature, it will come out creamy just like this. Absolutely perfect. Put that vanilla in there, and I put 2 teaspoons. Like I said, it'll be in the description box for this recipe. Now we're finna go on and start adding that dry in. And just do a little bit at a time now. Don't get greedy and crazy now and just add the whole thing. Just do a little bit at a time, and don't stir it all crazy either. Just take your time. You ain't got nothing but time for this perfection. Now, when you are mixing up your flour into your wet ingredients, make for sure it kind of disappears a little bit before you add a little bit more. There you go. Add some more. Now, go ahead and stir that thing. I'm kind of more like folding it in there. You see that? See what I'm saying? It's a fold. Yes, let's get it all incorporated. And just continue on with your flour until you get it all mixed in here. We are almost done, y'all, so just be patient. You're gonna have some good chocolate chip cookies. Last thing of flour right here. Do a little fold, And I think that's why they turn out so good when you do it by hand, because it's not that quick, fast, blender, mixer, hand mixer. They ain't got all that, you know what I'm saying? So you're doing it by hand and you're taking your time. You're putting all that love in these cookies. Looks good to me. So y'all go on ahead and measure out your morsels. Now you can use whatever kind of morsels that you want. Plain chocolate, like semi-sweet. You can use milk. You can use butterscotch. You can use white. So go on ahead and get those together. We're gonna pour those in here. Now I did use semi-sweet. And then I'm going to put a few milk chocolate on top. Just get it spun in there like that right there. Just fold them things in there. Oh my God, if you can just smell this. Now you know homemade cookies smell good. Now the mix smells delicious also. We're gonna go on ahead and get some scoops of this up out of here, and we're gonna go on and put us some parchment paper down on us a pan, and we're gonna start scooping this out. This is a mini scooper, but the mini scooper make regular size cookies. Just think if you used a big regular scooper. Those will be monster cookies. Just put some extra ones on top. This is the cookies right here, y'all. These are the cookies, y'all. This is them. Now, some of them I put extra morsels on, and some of them only put a few morsels on because some want extra and some just want give me a taste. Okay, so these are the cookies. I hope y'all try this recipe and enjoy this recipe, and leave me a comment if you've ever made these cookies and if you're going to try these chocolate chip chewy cookies. Now this video a little long because I had to share it with y'all so y'all can see all of this goodness. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.